Hey all, so today we're checking out some of the Christmas items for sale at the Coca-Cola Store at Disney Springs. And let me tell you, there is a lot to pick from if you have a fan of Coca-Cola or Coke-related products in your house and you need to find a gift for someone. So definitely a great place to check out if you have a Coke fan in your life. Now let's talk merchandise, and oh my, there is quite a bit. They have everything from lip balm to t-shirts to figurines of the Coke Santa and the Coke Polar Bear to items from Sprite to stuffed Coca-Cola cans and stuffed Sprite cans. So there truly is something for everyone who is a Coke fan if you're looking for a gift idea. Now the store can get quite crowded. It is at Disney Springs, especially on evenings and especially on the weekend. The store can be very, very crowded. There's also a rooftop bar on the third floor that serves a variety of Coca-Cola beverages, including around the world samplers. Definitely, if you're interested in Coke products for Christmas, go check out the Coca-Cola Store at Disney Springs.